yes guys, welcome back to another video guys. As you guys can see where we at right now, and you can tell it's fishing time. So alright guys, so last year this same time guys, we were right here guys, and my son actually caught a big fish. I don't know what it is, but we can see this big splash in the water, and he almost landed. So all winter he been bugging me and said to me, Dad, we gotta go back because he want to catch it, right? So today guys, I take him out, so we're gonna see if we can catch back this big fish again that actually get away from him last year guys. So the stick and stay guys, and watch what coming up in this video here. It's gonna be epic guys. Yes guys, you can see he's in here down there guys. He's down there guys, and he's trying his luck. Unfortunately today guys, I am not fishing. I won't be fishing today guys. He's the one that I take out to actually see if he can land but that big fish that he hold on to last year, right? But while I was here sitting down guys, you know, I was thinking, you know, we're supposed to go to another location to go actually do another video, right? So I told him that we're gonna spend a few hours here, and then we're gonna go to another location and then go do another video there. But I kind of changed my mind, and today guys, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna spend the day here with him and actually see what he can catch. You know what, I gotta invest in my son, my time, my effort. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna stick and stay here today, and in the meanwhile, what we're gonna do, we're gonna cook up a pot. You know, we're gonna run a boat, as what they want to call in Jamaican terms. Yeah, that's exactly what we're going to be doing guys out here, you know, at the HQ here guys. So yes, so right now, you know, I told him earlier on to go grab the stuff them from the truck and bring them out. So this is what we're going to be doing guys. So stick and stay guys, and you will see how we're going to rig up this guys. Pretty windy guys, pretty windy. Bear with it, don't mind the noise. It's pretty windy guys, so the stick and stay guys. Yes guys, as you guys can see, the beautiful water. We even have a swing here guys, that we actually take a dip in the water here in the summertime when it's nice. Water is a little bit chilly, but nonetheless, you know, we're out here a little bit windy also too guys. So this is the setup here guys, that we're actually gonna be working with today guys. If you guys can see the setup right here, yeah. So you see that little grill there and those sticks and whatever we're doing. So what we're gonna do today guys, we're gonna put some charcoal. You know, as you can see how I digged out the earth here, right? That's where I'm gonna put the charcoal right there. Yes guys, right there I'm gonna put the charcoal. I'm gonna set the pot on top of that. And today guys, you know what we're gonna be making here, we're gonna make some steam fish, you know, with some okra and crackers. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be making here today guys. Some real steam fish and okra we're gonna be making here, right here at the HQ guys. One of my favorite fishing spot. I've been fishing here for years, you know, and I take my son along with me to actually experience it. So we're gonna bring a little bit of Jamaican style to Canada here. So stick and stay guys, and watch this video to the end to see how epic this gonna be out here, me and my son. You know, remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend that the DS family lifestyle vlog is doing great over here. And remember guys, watch the video to the end. Yeah man, and give the video a hype. Alright guys, stick and stay guys, stick and stay. So yes guys, there you have it right there. Here you have it right there guys. Yeah man, that is it, you know. Yeah man, catch up the fire guys. And there you have it right there. So yeah, that's our fireside there. So I have on a Dutch pot. What me I gonna do, I'll get the rest of the stuff them. Most of the stuff them guys are gonna put in the pot, like our ingredients. We already prepped some of them from home already, you know. So yeah, so I'm gonna put some butter in the pot now and get the rest of the ingredients them in there and get the ball rolling. Yeah man, so yeah, the stick and stay guys, and I will show you as we go by, you know. Yes guys, check in back. So I'm gonna put the stuff them in a pot right now. And some corn, right? Some bell pepper, sweet pepper in there, right? So yeah, so this is some of the ingredients that we're gonna put in there for right now, you know. So let's stick and stay, guys, stick and stay. All right, I'm gonna get some more of the ingredients and put in here and then show you guys what is in here. All right, guys, stick and stay. Yes guys, check in back, guys, check in back. So yeah, so me get in the ingredients in the pot here. Let me kind of give you guys a rundown what we have in here. So we have some sweet corn, guys. We have some bell pepper, carrot, piece of pumpkin cut up, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, in there onion, you know, is in here right now. Over here we have the okra that we cut up, but we're not gonna put in the okra as yet, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna actually put some water in this, let this steam down that the corn can cook and the carrot can cook a little bit, and then you can see we have crackers, and we have like the fish, grace, fish tea, you know, what we're gonna put in there, and one cock soup also we're gonna put in there, guys. Yeah, and we're gonna put in there afterwards. Not ready for that yet. Let's show you guys the ingredients them. And over here we have the nice lovely snappers them right here, guys. Yellowtail snapper, what we're gonna be cooking, guys. So yeah, right outside here, an open fire in nature, you know. Yeah, so stick and stay, guys, and let me get some water in here and get the cock soup and season it, put some seasoning there and all that stuff, and get it going, guys. So the stick and stay, guys. It's very windy, so we are race against time right now. So yeah, stick and stay, guys. Yes guys, check in back. So yes, so Neo still out there fishing, we going back after that big monster that he got caught up with last year, and he got away from him. So yeah man, keep doing his thing. Sorry about the wind, guys. It's really windy, so you guys can see the waves and the water here, and I don't even have my microphone with me, guys. So yeah, see the water there, guys. It's beautiful, nice blue water. Trust me, guys, it's a lot of fish, you know. It's not a bad day out, but it's windy, it's a little bit chilly, you know. Usually in the summertime, guys, when the time is nice and hot, yeah, we go for a swing and take a chuck off in the water there, right? As I said, this is our little HQ that we actually, you know, come and hang out in the summertime and cook a pot and relax, you know. Really hard man style, you know what I mean? Yeah man. And same time, yeah man, pot pan fire just will bubble up, you know. Yeah, steam fish, okra and crackers. That is it, guys. Yes, guys, check in back. So yeah man, you guys can see it, you know. The simmer down, you know. Yeah man, you guys can see it. Yeah, I like when I steam my fish, guys. Me have a lot of natural seasoning there, you know. A lot of natural season, cause them good for you, you know. The okra, yeah man, and the juice in this, guys, slimy, yeah man, and the pumpkin and melt out here now. So yeah, I get that nice color that me I look for, you know. So yeah, so we are gonna make this go down a little bit more, right? And we'll put some more charcoal underneath it and make it go and simmer down a little bit more, and then we're gonna add the fish them in there, guys. So yeah, and then the crackers afterwards. So yeah, have a lot of juice in there, because we'll put the crackers in there that can soak up some of them juice, yeah, you know, when it's almost ready to take off of the fire, you know. So yeah man, so the stick and stay, guys, stick and stay, yeah man, stick and stay. I get a little taste test, yeah, and see. Whoa. Jesus, guys, trust me, scotch bonnet pepper, whoa, lots of flavor, guys, yeah, that's what we are looking for in idea, you know. Yeah man, and my son are gonna have a feast in a bush, you know. Yeah man, that's the way we do it, you know. So The stick and stay, guys. Stick and stay. And big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, you know. Yes, guys, check in back, you know. So there you have it, guys. Just add the fish them inside here right now. Yeah. Fish are in. So make them go and steam down, you know. Right, and then I go add the crackers. A little bit far now, you know. I know the fish don't really take long to cook. But yeah. So I go and make it go and simmer down, you know. Go on for 10 minutes or so. You know, say ready. Yeah, so yeah. Let's watch and see what I go on, guys. Mr. Girl go update and show you what pot look like right now. You know. Alright guys, stick and stay. Yeah man. Yes guys, check in back guys. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna add in some of them crackers in our pot now guys. Yeah. Add in some of my crackers in my pot. And then the next time do you guys see, then I eating time. So yeah. Add in some of my juice over my crackers them, you know. Yeah. Excelsior hard crackers them, you know. Yeah man. That is it. Yeah. This one the crackers them feel a little bit soft, not too soft. You know. So yeah. Just a little bit. So that is it. Yeah man. So yeah. Can soak up some of my juice, you know. Man, whole heap of food, guys. Lots of food. We have to bring home some of this food here because, you know, me and him can't eat so much. Me and my son can't eat so much food. But that's the way we cook, you know. Just in case somebody pop on the HQ and they want some, you know, can give them some same here. So yeah, so that is it guys for right now. So next time you see we, I eating time guys, I eating time. So stick and stay guys, stick and stay. Alright guys, check in back guys. So yeah, so near now I got taste the steamed fish and make me know where it tastes like. And me did a great job. If you can see it guys, close up. See there? Yeah man. I hate that guys, I hate that. You know what you think Neo? Good but spicy. Spicy? Yeah man, that's steamed fish half is spicy man. Half is spicy, you know? So yeah. Yeah man, dig in a hit man and eat man. Eat up son, eat up. Yeah man. Straighten up the body there, you know? So yes guys, I hate that, you know? So yeah, I show them the juice. What I have with it. Real Jamaica style. Yeah man, the bigger. Yeah man, original bigger. Him have film drinks, you know. So yeah man. So taste beside crackers now. And try it out, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man. Scallion. Yeah. Alright, so that is it guys, that is it, you know. So I'm gonna do my taste test now guys and show you guys, you know, tell you my honest opinion, not because I'm a cookie, but stick and stay guys, stick and stay. Yes guys, so I'm gonna dive in it now and tell you how it tastes guys. Yeah man, see there, nice. Yes guys, yeah man, can taste the scotch pan pepper in it, me I tell you. Burst with flavor guys, flavor on top of flavor, you know. You have lots of veggie upon here also, to natural veggie, carrot, okra. Oh my. So yes guys, yes good. Right on the open fire guys, as you guys can see, you know. Wow. Right here have a nice cool red stripe here guys. Yeah. say yardman style, guys. Yardman style. Yeah, man. Straight Jamaican. So yeah, bring some of Jamaica straight to Canada in the bush on the waterfront. That's how we do it, guys. So remember to like, share and subscribe to the Days from the Lifestyle vlog. Tell a friend to tell a friend that we are doing great over here, guys. You know, and remember, give this video a hype, you know, and leave your honest comment in the comment section. Tell us how we did, you know, guys, and we'll catch you in another one. Unfortunate, we don't catch no fish today, but we are cook fish today. And that's how the thing said. Every day is a fishing day, but not every day is a catching day. That's the way it works. But happy, you know, so I can spend this moment with my son out here. Yeah, man. So bless upon yourself, guys, and thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, guys. Catch you in the next one.